Biggest sign of insulin resistance women ignore.
Fatigue, cravings, belly fat, mood swings.
Wow. One habit that improve metabolic health the fastest.
Intermittent fasting.
Most overrated health trend right now.
GLP-1 injections.
Oh, wow. Okay. One blood marker every woman should track.
Fasting insulin.
Supplements or lifestyle, which matter more?
I would say lifestyle.
Okay. Fasting, a powerful tool or misunderstood trend?
Powerful tool.
PCOS, lifestyle condition or genetic destiny?
Lifestyle.
Stress or sugar, which damage hormone more?
Both.
Okay. Healing require discipline or patience?
Patience.
One food woman should stop fearing.
Sugar and carbs.